Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: we don't want to go back to lockdown. Get yourself vaccinated at the nearest vaccination center, says Deputy Chief Minister. Delta variant of coronavirus poses greater health threat, informs Preston Tensong. Health protocol does not bar bringing dead body into the locality, says Health Minister. Deputy Chief Minister informs government approves new COVID-19 treatment hospital rates to be effective from 15th of August 2021. And blessing in disguise continues to pour through Don Bosco Society, Shillong Province. And now the news in detail. Speaking to the media, Preston Tensong said, the only way to completely open the lockdown is to get oneself vaccinated, reiterating the fact that the government has provided the vaccine at the doorstep. Therefore, Shri Tensong requested the general public to go for vaccination at the nearest vaccination center in their own locality.
We don't want to go back to lockdown, and that's why we keep insisting people, we keep requesting people. The only tool right now that we have in hand is go for vaccination. Please vaccinate. And number two, this vaccination program is also free of cost. And number three, it is provided to each and every villages. The vaccination centers has been created even to each and every villages. You don't have to come to Punusla. You don't have to come to Shillong. It's in your doorstep. So we request all of them, please go and get yourself vaccinated, because as of today, this is the only tool of fighting the COVID-19.
Meghalaya Health Minister Preston Tensong today informed that the Delta variant of coronavirus is posing a greater danger to the people of the state. Addressing media persons, Tensong said the spread of the virus in the second wave was that an infected person could spread the virus to 3 other persons. Tensong also informed that an infected person with the new Delta variant can spread to 6 other persons, which poses a bigger threat to the general health of the people in the state. He also said the only way to curb the spread of the virus is through vaccination.
But the Delta variant, or the second wave which we say now, it is double than that. 1:6. The infection takes place 1:6. If 6 positive cases, again, if you multiply, it comes to about 36, which is very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. That's why now, even till today, the cases keep increasing. Why it keep increasing? It's just because the patient concerned or the members of the family concerned thought that the first wave and the second wave is the same. They thought it must be like that. But I'm telling you, in this second wave, the Delta variant is highly infectious. We have tried our best from the government how to control the spread of this disease. But, big but is there. Government alone cannot do it. We need the responsibility of each and every household, the responsibility of each and every citizen of the state to strictly follow the protocols issued by the government through health department. So I would like to request, therefore, all the concerned citizens of the state, in spite of the fact that a team of doctors, team of nurses, team of health workers up to the grassroots, they hardly sleep, they really work hard, but the cases is still increasing day by day. Why it happened that way? It's just because the citizens of the state seems they don't understand.
Meghalaya Health Minister Prastun Tinsong today informed that, according to health protocol issued by the government, does not bar bringing the COVID dead body into the localities. Addressing media persons, Tinsong said, traditional authorities do not have the authority to prevent the COVID dead body into the localities, but as per the guidelines, the dead body should not be taken inside the house and it should be disposed of the next day, according to their rites and rituals of the deceased, to which religion he belongs.
I've been spending my time in, sharing, discussing with different levels of the officers. So therefore, I would like to inform to all of you, we keep taking decision almost every day, how to catch and how to curb the rate, the percentage that we have seen it keep increasing day by day. So we would like to, to take maybe a drastic decision also. We have to accept that. And number two, I would like to inform you, as I've already said. One is the reminder. I would like to remind to all the citizens of the state. Number one, let us go back to the notification issued by Health and Welfare Department on the 4th of May 2021 relating to the system of disposal of dead bodies out of COVID-19. It's already in place, but when the time goes on, there were a number of cases, quite a number of cases, where the concerned locality, sometimes they did not allow the dead body to be brought to the respective houses. In fact, the notification is very clear. We already laid down the protocols, and the protocols is very clear. They can take the dead body from the hospitals or wherever the place where the death takes place to the respective houses, but of course they cannot take the coffin inside the house. They can keep it outside the house, maybe in the veranda or maybe in the compound, and the next day they can conduct the system, whatever the religious.
Now we'll take a short commercial break.
We don't want to go back to lockdown. And that's why we keep insisting people, we keep requesting people, the only tool right now that we have in hand is go for vaccination. Please vaccinate. And number two, this vaccination program is also free of cost. And number three, it is provided to each and every villages. The vaccination centers has been created even to each and every villages. You don't have to come to Punusla. You don't have to come to Shillong. It's in your doorstep. So we request all of them, please go and get yourself vaccinated, because as of today, this is the only tool of fighting the COVID-19. Okay?
Welcome back. We'll continue with the remaining news. Speaking to the media fraternity, Tinsong informed that the state government has taken a decision to give a fixed rate for treatment of COVID-19 patients. The rate is kept as per category according to the 5 categories of COVID-19 treatment.
We have 5 categories. We have divided into 5 categories. First category is general ward without oxygen requirement. The rate per day is fixed. This rate is to the maximum. Please note that. This rate is to the maximum. 7,000 per day. 7,000 per day, general ward without oxygen requirement. Number 2, the second category is general ward with oxygen requirement, 11,500 per day. Category number 3, ICU, HDU without ventilator, 14,000 per day. And the next category is ICU with non-invasive ventilator, 18,000 per day. And the last category is ICU with invasive ventilator, 20,000 per day. These are the rates, the ceiling, calculated and approved by the government today. And this rate will be implemented or will take effective from 15 August 2021. This new rate will be effective from 15 August 2021. You got it? I will explain in Khasi.
Today, Don Bosco Society Shillong Province continues to extend their COVID relief assistance to the needy. It may be noted that this COVID relief was sent from Polten Diocese, Austria. Speaking at the short program before the distribution took place, Father James Thurnyang, the director of the Don Bosco Society Shillong Province, extended his gratitude to the noble hearts who were ready to share the blessings with people whom they don't even know.
Produk nak lawan kakak kini Shillong, leng kini Shillong dari tangan ni, sa Banjun, sa Mau Nyang La, sa kini Kitai. Parpiti bah kini kisri, kini ki senam, ibang ia kendu kamtam ia kini kicing Pada dengan jom kini ke lockdown, tak kicing yarap untuk sarkar, ini baterai po ke social development, tinggi habyo kipas. Dengan lain yang kawai kejaga supaya pat ngayo i kecik kecik jar cukup. Tena kalian ke office jungi lengkap kali pada provincial baru council. Tiung yang dia buat cingirap nang tai ke kawai ngilap top kawai project. Kemudian kawai bon di project mulai kadu-kaduai ngilap pas kali project limba ke Don Bosco net jong ke South Asia. Kerana office Kedai office jongki Don Bosco barang Delhi kapapod ne je baru ki project bawan South Asia tenang tu kisah pak senesetai pat kila yarap yang ni dengan coordination jongki kedai kila pak senesetai kedai diocese jong Polten Diocese Austria kila sengap je kena kecik pat kejongi pat kila ajing yarap yang ni kendai sepat teliging Tementang kita lakukan sam berapa persen kita pendapat kini kesini. Pat kai kata kecing ni mana bayarap yang kepertai berapa baik kat kebangi sengau lang bayarap pada kai kijaka bagi sengau ba tidak kami kini kecing yarap. Tena kata kadau ngalakukan dagi solution operator paling bajong ki ling bajong sister hane ling bajong kini kiran ba. Tema ki patip company yang kata kecing long jingman jong senang katau. Tegila jin yapi, tegila jik ngatrai bilang diberi berkerpang, kibo play ula ijapi namar, kilapan poison astai tip seno, kan kebaran rai kalau poi yang kena gacaka, tapi kita kilong ying, kila pediang supaya kena, nasi kecing ai kebaran.
Today, Distribution of these COVID reliefs took place in 4 different localities and areas of Shillong town, which include Sado, Banyun, Mauwan and Mauprem. The local heads of these localities expressed their gratitude to all who have a hand in this noble deed.
Da kaji entry lang bagi citizen cooperators iway na kinamitri nang kitkam balang sinong jungi ni sungkemen sibun baling ba jongki ipada dalapan poi kami mentagasngi balang sinong jungi ngidang sibun kiyeng kiba dan kam yang jingarap agani kapor kamtam haba kapathai hi bodak koi kaman hijinge kamtam Shillong yang langsam jungi. Hari ini benai belajar ke komiti balang dekat Sister Ansilia Secular Institute, Sister Carmel, nila yang persiang kat balang banyak kesan lang. Iway pan akum kini kepor keba dan kam kepor keba Pak mentang kesin ngisung kemen sibun ba ngiyo sa iway pat nung kesan ya kilong yang jaga balang jungi kata itay nung kesan iwan hakadur jong ifada James Terniam pat kakenhun ke jungi keseng ke jungi tekubay sibon pada mata kasni blay nang kekhu kedo ifi yang jing tray jungi keseng selisian bodok kuway jong Shillong province pat jong kari India ni bodok kuway ngitip bapilet sibun ikam di bawah akum kini kipon ubelai nang yalam lenti yapi nang betin lenti yapi bat nang beli gila lenti benang yok sibun gila lenti banyarap ya itu kibarun kami kejingarap.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.